The goal for our project here, the art car project, was to bring a variety of students together with faculty to create an unusual looking car.
A car in and of itself is a piece of artwork. This car was built to reach out and grab some emotion from you.
Dick is a guy that has very broad interests. He's really into music, he's into cars, and then suddenly he came through the door and he says, how about an art car thing with the students? And Brett and Lisa and I just said, yay, why not?
I'm a car guy myself, and so when I heard that we had the chance to paint a car and not really knowing what kind of car it was really interested me in doing that. And when I found out that it was a BMW and it was an older series and it's really geometric looking, that kind of thing just interested me in wanting to paint the car.
It's interesting to see how we were able to collaborate and to see how our styles just meshed together.
I thought it was a really great opportunity to kind of showcase what I can bring to art in the art department and kind of represent the art department and put forth my work. Everybody had an equal amount of contribution.
I just thought that painting on a 3D surface was a little bit more interesting than painting on a canvas, and I just thought it'd be cool.
Writing and drawing and painting on something you're not allowed to paint on, I like that. I think it was just a group effort for the whole car to look united as one.
What they have created is just thrilling. I think I may make another donation so I can keep it.